My friends and I go camping quite a bit, and we've been thinking about how we're going to clean our tents and our other big equipment, the e-bikes and things like that when we get home. And having a full-size pressure washer was just seemed overcomplicated for what we're trying to do. Decided to go with this cordless. This way we can actually do some of the washing potentially when we're still out at camp. Let's open it up and take a look at what we've got inside here. So I like that it has this collapsible container. This is the pressure washer hose, which is retractable from the bottom. How cool is that? So it's very compact when we're going to take it with. And then it comes with some accessories. We've got sponges and a couple of different kind of brushes. And these are heavy duty. The water is going to come through these. This uses magnets to attach. So it's real easy to swap these out if you need to. We can use one for the engines and one for the upholstery. It also has the charger, and it has some smaller brushes which we can also use. Very easy to clean, and everything has quick release included. Really looking forward to using this unit. Of course, the center part pops open to become the water container, and then the collapsible or the retractable cord underneath. Hope this helps.